Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Dodge Journey RT. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in the copper pearl coat and it looks awesome. It definitely stands out, got that nice metallic look. You do have halogen quad headlamps right up front here with your fog lights just down there. You got your Dodge logo there with some chrome accenting, and coming around the side here you do have 19-inch wheels here. And they are Komu brand. They got lots of tread left on them. You'll be good for a while. It does have heated exterior mirrors in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, so it will get you going there very quickly. You got the chrome accenting as well on the handles. And coming around the back here, we do have our Dodge logo, as well as our Journey all-wheel drive logo and the RT logo. And now we can open this guy up. And we do have our backup camera hanging out right under there. Lift this guy up and you got some room back here. You have an emergency flashlight right there if you do ever need it. Definitely comes in handy. Just pop it out just like that. And you do have a bit of extra storage right in here. Plus what you can do is you can pull this just like this and fold these forward. And it does give you even more room back here. It'll lay flat and it is very soft, so nothing will be getting damaged back here as well. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate your remote start, which, as you know, is super nice, especially in the winter. It'll get it nice and warm for you and warm your bum up before you jump on in. Now, it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if it is locked and you do have the keys on your person, you just put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. You also got the button there to lock it if you did want. Now on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there, as well as you got a bit of chrome accenting here, and you got a handle here, and some more storage down here. You can put a water bottle in there. You got the controls over your seats here, so back and forward, as well as the lumbar support there. And over here you do have controls over your lights, so you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as you push in for your fog lights. In-cabin light control there. And this guy does control your windshield wipers, as well as your high beams, and your rear windshield wipers, and your turning signals. Okay, let's start up here. So key is in my pocket. You just put your foot on the brake, press the button, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. A little bit bright there. There we go. Now we can change that guy in the middle from our vehicle speed to our trip info, tire KPA. We got our vehicle info, messages, and then you can turn the menu off if it is too bright. I know that in my vehicle sometimes it's a bit distracting. You also got your fuel economy and what channel we're on up top there. You do have the temperature outside, how many kilometers it has, and which way we're facing. Now on the steering wheel here you do have your voice recognition, your call out button. You can control that center guy with those buttons there. Horn in the center, and then you also have your cruise control options here. And then around the back of the steering wheel we do have these guys. These are buttons to raise and lower your volume, and on the other side there's an identical one to change the channel. In the center here you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so you do have AM and FM as well as Sirius XM. Then you do have a media player here if you have a media device hooked up. You got your controls here, so you have your heated seats, your heated steering wheel, your heated passenger seat, and then the outlet and the screen off. You got your climate control. It is dual climate. It is cold in here. Let's turn that up. So you got your dual climate. You and your passenger are going to have different climate controls. Then you have your phone options here if you do have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Then you also have your more options for your rear entertainment and your settings. Now down here you have your hazard lights, your AC, your circulation, your front and rear defrost, and your traction control. Volume up and down, the climate control there as well. And then you have your auto, your off, your power here, your tuner there. You got a CD player or DVD player here, and an SD card slot right there. Then you do also have your 12-volt plug-in in there and a little bit of storage. Some cup holders here, and this guy is your gear shift. If you shift in reverse, you do have your backup camera, which is super nice. It'll keep you safe, then you'll know where you're going. In the center here, you do have your armrest, and it doubles as a storage container. So you do have another 12-volt plug-in, plus an aux cord and a USB plug-in in there. And passenger seat, leather as well. It looks very nice. You can also pull this little tab here, and there is a little secret compartment. Right now there is your headphones for the rear entertainment in there. You can close that guy up. And then over here you do have your glove box. It is a locking glove box, which is very nice. It'll keep your stuff safe. You have your owner's manual in there and your glove box. Up top here you do have your sunglass holder with a little mirror on it, and you got some lights there as well. And then over here you do have your universal garage door opener. Let's jump in the back here and take a look. Open this guy up. Now we do have that chrome accenting here, control over their own windows. You got a handle here and some storage down here. And there is a lot of room back here as well. It is the leather as the rest of the vehicle. Now you can pull this guy down and it does give them a little armrest. Very nice. Then it does seat 7, so you just pull this forward and they got room back there as well. Then you do have your cup holders back there for the people back in the back. Then you do have your 9-inch screen here. You can play movies on it or whatnot, and they do have control of their own climate as well. You got some plugins here if you did want to hook up a game system or something through the AV cords. Then you have a plug-in there. You got this guy here, which is a little bit of storage right in there. And then also this is a booster seat, so you just pull this little tab and it folds up just like that, and your kid can sit a little higher. It's very nice and safe. It's really good. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Dodge Journey RT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself, come on down to Northland Dodge and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.